St. Francis Buhunga High Senior Secondary School no barabe bari mu mberambe aba bakozire kurungi ebuzo bya senior ya mukaga abo mwaka 10 abinena
week kuba amaze kureleasinga results za senior ya mukaga izobera area kuratireho new vision ekashohoza rankings za best performing schools kutwabire turebo mu new vision twashanga ngo St. Francis Buhunga High School was ranked number 2 in Rugungere district. Ababiri batsindere nabi mwachere tubonga wena batize HTNSA. I request you to march forward.
Mastera B-stroke submat 80 points.
Our best candidate.
Korkoma Onesimus M/ICT 9 points.
Atfaidawet is my name. Gia/Submas 14 points.
Bashishobwa baziri haza fizi go kumwaje gutagishaba tukugishaba mbwene no kwimatoku no kushashora abantu abo ekituretera tware mu bundi gukora tutakweshebwa tukozire mu batekaga rero gakushaka turabize herangi ubundi okutuwahike kareri tukura ubona haburamu because of having that big number paid by parents. We are strained tukakora any infrastructure development na mbwene kutujya hano ine tuburamu noza kubamanya abatari bashomesa abana abakora mu ishomero nabo nibahika abantu 16 kandi bona bashobwa baziri mwene cyo kiretera twagomerwa korera inde bitemwe kaho nishaba kugandemu erishomero bishomesa amashombo gona garabire arts and sciences combination journalism bana mutera abantu mu ngana bakora mu mogo ishomereri kurgari yatandika government tekatwambe organize ibera kimwe kawicho lecho busasa. We have never benefited in terms of any building infrastructure ishomereri kirikari bagana nibuya kwa toilet kandi lecho busasi kawo lecho busasa abo kuba washanga ishomero kutisabana ishomero yine program za USE na Upolet. They don't have government to supporting us, but we have not benefited.
I am kindly making an appeal. I am not giving a request. I am not commanding. I am making an appeal. Go and support us because we are also supporting the nation. Go and support us. We are all supporting the nation. Thank you very much.
Aba obuhatene bashaba government okubijuka ebombekire ebyombeko ebirungi ebagurire byuma byo gukoresa no konja kutungura amashomo ga science and technology babongira bashomesa nebindi bikwato kibahwere okongera gukora kurungi ombyo bwegese
challenges zo hano yoreka umugeni mukuru w'ikirungi waruhurira nchaka yetu antorwana hidi yabamboriyo no genda konga dushaba twaturiyo mu mbundu otkwase tugiterera.
It must not have been a good, it must not have been an easy journey. It must have been through hard work and so many sacrifices.
St. Francis Buhunga yaheze myaka anana gumwe ahansi ya government.
Celebrating a good performance. We are celebrating the wonders of the Lord. I want to begin by congratulating each and every member of our family.
Mukuru gwo kusima evergire ombibuzo bya Uganda Advanced Certificate of Education abazire nabebembezi bekozire mu murimo barundana sente okugura enanga ya chapo ahabwishomereri.